have here my 3mm hook and my 4-ply yarn, and to start is we're going to wrap 9 times around my finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that we're going to insert our hook and grab and pull it. Oh no, I missed one. Okay, and grab and pull, insert and grab, just make sure that you take everything and you went down, and now we're going to pull up our yarn just like that, and now we're going to do a single crochet 22 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're going to 14, 15. We're going to slide it. 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 20, 21, and 22. Now we're going to slip stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into the magic ring, pull up a loop, and we will be doing this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that we're going to yarn over and pull through all the loops, and into the last yarn we're going to do a single crochet, chain 4, and insert into the ring that we just did, or the single crochet into the space, or do a single crochet, chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and go back into the same stitch for another single crochet, chain 4, and go back into that space for another single crochet, chain 2, and we will be doing this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull out and go back into that last yarn and single crochet, chain 4, and single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet. And this is how it looks like. Chain 2, and we'll do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull up and pull through and into the last yarn. We're going to connect and do a single crochet, chain 4, single crochet into that space, chain 4, single crochet into that space, chain 4, chain 2, and do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pull through and into the last. We're going to single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 2, and let's do another one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 4. And chain 2, Okay, so now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after that we're going to slip stitch. And you get this beautiful flower. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 petal. There you go. So you can just cut this off and you're done. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you do like this video, please give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe onto my channel. Okay, and I will see you next time. Bye.